Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remotely play sounds on your Apple Airpods Max. Might be useful if you've misplaced them. So to begin with, you do have to have Find My set up on this. There will be other videos on how to do that. This is purely how to play sounds. So all you're going to do is go into the settings on your iPad or your iPhone, and you're going to go to where it says Airpods Max. And then basically we're going to go down to where it says Find My Network. That should already be on. And we're going to go to Show in Find My. And that will automatically bring up the map. So a lot of this is going to be blurred out. And then it will actually pick this device because it knows you're in the menu for this device. So I'm going to go Show in Find My. And then after a few seconds, it will actually go through to the AirPods. And there we go. It shows the location of them. And then if you go to play sounds, it's just warning that it may be loud if you're wearing them or if someone's wearing them. And now it's connecting, it's going to start playing a sound. There you go, and you can now hear there's a sound. So hopefully you'll find it in your backpack or behind the settee or wherever you've misplaced them, and then you can just go to stop. Now I'm going to put them in the case and see if they do the same thing. They're now in the case here, so they're no longer connected to this at the moment. So we're going to go into settings and we're going to go to Show in Find My because I can't go to the AirPods because they're not connected. And it should come up with the last known location. Let's go to play sound now. And it's trying to connect. And it says sound pending, will play when connected. This may take up to a minute. And it says attempting to connect, Find My will keep searching in the background for the next few minutes. A sound will be played if your device connects to it. And there we go. So it took a bit longer, but you can see now that it is playing the sound again. So hopefully even when they're in their case, you'll still be able to connect to them. And we'll just go to stop. So that's it. That's how to play sounds on your AirPods Max if you misplace them. Thanks for watching.